I know in this video you're not going to see the flashlight that's hanging. This is actually designed to hold a long D-cell flashlight, an old one. It's an heirloom for Luke, but we'll be talking about that at the end because this is actually going to his brother for their wedding. You'll also see the flashlight then, so imagine it's there. Let's dive in. Oh, this is going to need some work. Try and get rid of some of that tear out. One downside to these dumb ones that I made. $36. Put those on the edge. Theoretically, let's see. sharp. It needs it to be really, really, really sharp. Close to it. Big curls. Now, let's make a hanger. I'll take it. That's the wrong direction, is it? No. No, 1.5 inches right there. 1.5 inches. Oh, stink. I could very easily be a vegetarian, but not vegan. I hope you got that. Problems are introduced. Work on that. Plonk. Yellow. Mahogany.
I'm Luke Melky. I do a lot of video work with Wood by Wright, and this project is extra special to my family because we made a display case for this flashlight. It's a family heirloom. It doesn't look like much here. We made this though for my youngest brother who just got married to pass on this flashlight, which saved my grandpa, or my great-grandpa's life when he was in China. He was in a compound there. There were some people trying to break into the compound. They had gotten in, and they had pulled swords on my great-grandpa trying to kill him. My great-grandma came out with this flashlight, and when the moon glinted off it, the burglars said they thought it was a gun, and they jumped out of the compound, and it saved my grandpa's life. And if it wasn't for this flashlight, you would not be seeing most of the stuff you see on this channel. So if you want to know more about this story and the rest of my family's story, what they did in China, check out the book below. It's a beautiful flashlight thing, but without something like this, it's not really going to be very useful. It's a thing that actually hang it up there with. Wow. We only got some wood from Asia, the closest we could get to where China was from. We actually put it in the best we can understand the shape of the Milky family crest. Has the oak leaf put in on it, and it's also the seal instead of your traditional wood seal that is actually sealed with beeswax. Try to put as many family things as you can. So here is. So there's your where the holder for the flashlights.
So there you have it. This was a seriously fun one, and I hope you liked it with the flashlight hanging in. I didn't actually get to see what it looks like yet, but I hope you like that. Also, if you'd like to see the how-to version of this, I have a whole second channel where we talk through this in detail, and we actually talk through what I did, why I did it, and all of the steps on that. If you ever see a video on this channel, there is a corresponding video on the second channel where we actually do the how-to process of it. That's the channel for teaching. This is the channel for easy watching. So I hope you like that. If you do, hop on over there and check out that video. So I think that will do it for now. I do want to say a huge thank you to all the patrons on Patreon, members here on the channel, everyone who's clicked that join button, and everyone who has hit like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those things really do help out the channel. But to be honest, without patrons and members, this channel wouldn't exist. So if you'd like to keep us going and to help out with that, you can find links to Patreon down below, or you can click that little join button. So thank you to everyone on the side who's scrolling by, and until next time, have a wonderful day. Oh, ow, ow, ugh. Glad to get that plaque out of my teeth.